going in for the clean.
Why not her tail in? Why not her poopy thing?
Well, she can't reach her tail. She's trying to get her tail in.
Tail in?
Oh. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. She's trying to like dive in.
Yeah, I might have to get a bigger bowl, right?
Yeah.
I like it because we can see underneath because it's a glass. There you go. Sorry, Jonah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see if it's like leaking.
See,
Well, you can see her little body underneath. She's dying for a bath. Look at that.
I'm trying to get her whole body in there.
Well, that'll clean her bum up. No more birdie poopies everywhere.
poop on you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah.
Isn't that amazing? That is so cool.
Yeah. She's trying to get in.
Oh.
He's in.
Oh. Guess who's come to eat Phoebe? No, don't eat Phoebe. No! Samantha just gave it to her.